So how can you make your own phone number on the iPad? Let's explain that. If you're first time on Foxtecc, stay tuned by subscribing so you'll never miss anything important. So the popular method to do this is to use the so-called voice over internet protocol, which is like VoIP apps, right? So these kind of applications allow you to make and receive calls, but through the data connection. So over the internet, even though you kind of have the phone number. And the most popular service for it is the Google Voice, which, as far as I know, doesn't work across all countries, but it works in plenty of them actually. So you can download it from the App Store. You'll be able to get that number, right? And it's an app which gives you like a phone number. So you just use the Google services, but you just get started and you get like a business phone plan or just a regular phone, and you'll be able to just make calls, and it's going to be very helpful, especially like on the iPads, right? So that would make a lot of sense in case you want to do this. So that would be like the main blueprint. Keep in mind that, of course, there are other providers as well. There is one called Text Now, which is another provider which gives you a free phone number which you can use for calls and a text. So you can also just look that up, right? And it would work as well, right? So, of course, you can make calls over FaceTime, but obviously the FaceTime has to be set up with an actual phone number on your iPhone. So that would be a different thing. So, yeah, the main problem or method which you can use is this, voice over internet app. So let me know what you think below. Let me know if you managed to set it up. Thanks a lot for watching and stick until the end, and I'll talk to you later.